Hello. Mbote. Ya bandeko toyeli susu lelo toza awa na Victoria besti nanga ana posa asolo na biso bapara mukie na oyo azomona mpona bango bana.
Okay. So the thing, So for today, I'm saying a message for all the parents out there to keep your eyes on your kids, especially little kids, since their iPads or their phones is easily accessible to many things, especially these days. There's just so many things that's accessible and easy, and you never know what your kids are watching, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, or anything, TikTok, whatever. You have to keep your eyes on your children. Be careful and watch what they're watching. Monitor them every single time and make sure that they aren't doing or watching anything that for them they might not know or understand it. But you as parent, you know what's good for them and you know what's bad for them, and you're going to keep eyes on them every single time and make sure that what they're watching or what they're seeing honestly is appropriate for their age, so that later on in the future you're not ashamed of them or you're not worried that my kid is the way that they're like that. Because before I didn't keep an eyes on them. Before I just said whatever, I'm tired, it's okay, they can do what they want to. No, keep your eyes on your kids, especially the ones who are coming up and for their future. Is that good? That's good. Yeah. The reason why I came to this message is because, as we all know, the app Twitter is now known as X. Something there that, once I was scrolling and something just popped in my feed that was just very much inappropriate, and also just something that I wouldn't want my younger siblings to ever go in there and see something like that. And as for kids, they don't know anything. They can just see stuff and they just don't know. But imagine the thousands of kids who just open apps and just scroll through things and see something like that, and what damage and what things can come in their mind by looking at things like that. This is how addiction starts. This is how obsession starts. And this is how bad things happen to now many adults that we know now because of things like that. So parents, please look closely on your kids. Don't get tired. Don't be letting them be free. No. Have your eyes on them 24/7, especially the upcoming kids. So that's what I want to say for this part for the kids, because it's something that I myself seen that I wouldn't want my little siblings nor other children who are under the age seeing things like that, especially since it's out in the open freely like that. So parents, please look out for your kids and make sure that they're watching things that's appropriate for them. And as for the older kids, parents also don't give up on them as well, especially the ones who are going to college or just trying to figure life out. At this age, you're in the process of trying to figure out life and everything. And parents, you guys are our support system. So don't give up on motivating us, encouraging us, and pushing us, because sometimes we don't feel like it. But parents, don't give up on pushing your kids, even if they're already 20 years old, 22, and living in your house. Just keep on helping them and pushing them to be their best. Make sure that to tell them if they're doing something that is not good for them. Tell them, don't be afraid and be like, because they're older, I don't want them to not love me, not that to be mad at me. No, you tell them what they might not want to hear it, but it's good for them and it will benefit them in the long run. So make sure that you are speaking on them and encouraging them and telling them if they're going in the wrong way, put them in the right way. And the Bible says that what's it called? If kids listen to their parents, they'll have longer life. So it's something that also us kids ourselves to listen to our parents, to obey them. And sometimes I know we might not always see it or what they're saying is good for us, but later on you will thank them and you'll be like, oh, I'm so happy, mom or dad, that you told me this, because if I didn't listen before, I would have been somewhere way worse. So please listen, and please be open to correction and humble yourself each and every single time. That was my part on the older kids and the adult kids in this overall message.
Yeah, ngape na expliquer moi mukie nenge Victoria bandai koloba azoloba pona biso ba parents to fongola toujours miso na bana biso, surtout na bana biso o ya mikie, parce que za na ba application mususu we bimi ba application na bazocha ba biloko moko boye ya mabe makasi biloko bazocha wana. En tout cas un jour akutanaka nango et dérangeant qui est là que sur la alobi maman il faut tout solo là quand même na a passer moi message na ba parents to contrôler bana na biso ya mikie, parce que moni mwana mkeso akutani na biloko abongo ya yebi na été era zomo nango yango to zomo na bana na biso lelo mona mwana neva akomi lokwa ya mokolo makambo kwa zolo bato makambo ko mosala ozomona ke bana bakomi à partir à 10 ans 13 ans 12 ans bayebi déjà makaba mikolo mwana koma na parent kala akoma vraiment lokwa parent lokwa biso moi ko expliquer ngwete bino moka bozo comprendre on azoloba mwana koma mukolo kala likolo nini ya makambo azomona na ba application ezobima mikolo oyo ebimi o ba otia ba biloko moko n'importe quoi yango ayikolobela wana pe azoloba lisusu na bano ya mikolo bino à partir ba 18 ans 20 ans likolo kuna bana na biso boyokaka biso tant tozopesa bino ba conseil tolingi bino bokanisaka te ke tant tolobelaka bino tolingaka bino te tolingaka bino makasi yango nomona tolingaka ke bokenda banzela mabe te, parce que nyonso bino bozolekisa lelo biso mpe toleka yango tema ke toleka yango tomonaki ezala na ntina moko te. Yango wana omoni topesa bino ba conseil bolanda banzela malamu bokende boye soki boye ekozala bien soko ke boye obebisa yango wana. En tout cas bana biso boyoka biso boyoki biso bomona ke makambo nyonso bokosala ekozala malamu.
Yeah, and one last thing I want to say is I know college can be expensive, and sometimes people think, oh, I don't know it's for me, but I encourage many parents, especially people who are foreigners, especially African parents and people who are foreigners, to put your kids in CCP courses or college classes during high school. So this program in high school that high schoolers can take and do college classes while they're also in high school, but also earning a college degree at the same time. This helps them fill out the credit for college without going there, and by the time they graduate high school, they already have maybe an associate's. If they want to go far and work even harder, they can even earn a bachelor's degree. So it's a great opportunity, and it's a great way to save money since it's for free. It's for free, and put your kids in this program because it will help them and for their future. Because even if when they finish high school and don't want to go to college, they already have their degree and they're all good and they're finished. So it's a great way without you spending too much money and stressing about what they should do with their life or what they want to do with their own life. So I encourage every parent, especially foreigners, to take this opportunity that has been given to us to enroll your kids in college credit classes, because it will definitely benefit them in the future. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the message. This was all for today. It was just something that was on my mind, and I wanted to come here to say it, to especially with everything that's going on, because the world is really honestly becoming even worse every single day. And I want to encourage many parents to hear this message and to also utilize it in your lives, and to always keep your eyes on your kids. So that's what I wanted to say for here. Thank you.
Yeah, makambo viki abandai koloba moya ko translate en nyonso ezate parce que ba video ya milai etalema vraiment te. Ba short video ya onde ezotalema. mabanda kolobaka apuna ya biso baparent tofungola misu. En tout cas napesi pe merci mingi nzambe apamboli mpona ide oyo. Thank you, Victoria.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and share also with many people, and turn on the notification button to see more videos like this and to see more content in our channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.